Good morning, friends. Today I want to teach you paper 8 Acquaintances. Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was born on 7 May 1861 in the old ancestor house of the Tagores in Kolkata. He was the 14th child of the youngest son of Maharshi Devanand Tagore. Tagore was a versatile genius. He was a poet, novelist, story writer, dramatist, musician, actor, painter, and statesman. The most fundamental characteristics of the Tagore's poetry are the sense of realism and his humanism have been brought out in the poems. Tagore was awarded the Nobel Prize for the Gitanjali in 1913. Gitanjali, a collection of 103 poems. Tagore dedicated the last 20 years of his life to the Vishwa Bharati. He has been a great lover of nature. His love for nature is the second only to his love for humanity. He is a poet of earth, whom he regards as a mother. Tagore's poetry is deeply rooted in the rich associations of the Indian philosophy, and he tries to recapture the theme of the spirit. The first song of Gitanjali describes the body of a man as the temple of the soul and the soul as above the God. As a novelist, Rabindranath Tagore has written novels like The House and the World in 1919, The Wreck 1921, and Gora. All of them are basically a social novel. Having national concern, Gora is the patriotic novel in which he expressed the voice of the resurgence India longing to throw away the yoke of slavery. Tagore is one of the pioneers of the great writer of short stories in India. His short stories realistically depict the life of the common man in India. Always Rabindranath Tagore put the theme common man in his novels. We find true paths of the human emotion in his stories also. Hungry Stone and other stories, Masi and other stories, Broken Ties and other stories. These are some important short stories written by Rabindranath Tagore. Homecoming, The Kabuliwala, and The Postmaster. These are well-known short stories of Rabindranath Tagore. Also, Tagore wrote many plays like Chitra in 1913, The King of the Dark Chamber in 1914, Chandlika, The Post Office, The Cycle of Spring, and Devouring Love. Translation of Raja or Rani. In this way, Tagore has great service to the Indian writing in English. His greatest contribution has been substantial of the solid and very good. Gandhiji always addressed him as a Gurudev, and he passed away in 7th August 1941. Thank you, friends. Please listen very carefully about the brief sketch of Rabindranath Tagore. Thank you.